There's lean times coming in Hot Hatchville. The Focus RS has been killed off, and the Golf R32 is not long for this world. And as for the Alpha 147 GTA, well, that's not dead, but it's as mad as a badger. And that doesn't leave much of a hot hatch choice. There's the Seat Leon Cupra thing, and there's this, the Honda Civic Type R. It's always been a bit of an old school hooligan, the Civic Type R. If it were in a porn film, it would play the stable lad or the plumber rather than the smooth international businessman. This 197 brake horsepower just loves to be abused. Get past 6,000 RPM and it goes berserk. You can't be too cruel to it. It just laps it up. I mean, look at this layout. The gear lever is right next to the steering wheel. It's like being in a touring car. Oh, you can just put it where you want it. And it looks the part. Nice and unsubtle, as a hot hatch should be. This is actually the new, improved version, on sale now for £16,000. It's got even more in-your-face cosmetic tweaks. And while they're about it, they've also sharpened up the steering and the handling. It is superb, and pound for pound, even if there wasn't a hot hatch famine right now, it'd be head and shoulders above the rest.